ChatGPT announced their new agent abilities, and I'd love to talk about it.
Yeah, this is an interesting thing. I completely missed it until you had it obviously in the list of topics for today. This seems pretty fascinating.
It's a big deal, and it's.
You want to explain what it is? You want me to explain? Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
So I just asked ChatGPT, tell us about your new agent abilities, and it says, great. Yeah, they go beyond just chatting. I can now take actions on behalf inside supported apps or tools, much like a virtual assistant. While some of these features are still rolling out or in limited preview, here's what this means in practical terms. What agent abilities can do, and then it puts in parentheses, or soon will be able to do. So they're bringing out
it's evolving.
A lot of time.
Yep.
Act on emails and messages, read and summarize emails, draft and send replies, sort or label emails by topic or urgency. Sounds great. Manage calendars, schedule, reschedule, or cancel meetings. Coordinate times with multiple people, add reminders or recurring tasks. I like it. Taking action online, make restaurant or travel reservations, order products or refill subscriptions, cancel unwanted subscriptions. Pretty interesting. Pulling data from different tools like Google Sheets, Notion, Slack. I love that.
Wow.
Fill out forms or applications, prepare reports or documents. It can also work in messaging apps, answer DMs or customer service questions in Slack and Discord. This is going to be a big deal right here for me. Help moderate communities, another huge deal for me if that works with my community. Or flag important messages. You decide when I act as an agent. You'll get a confirmation prompt for anything sensitive, which tools, apps I can access, and what data I can see. So it says here, before I could only suggest what to do. Now with agent abilities, I can actually do it for you.
Right.
No switching tabs, no copying, pasting. It's pretty wild. So you can, and then it just, of course, asked me, would you like me to do something for you?
Yeah, of course. Yeah,
Yes.
I asked the same thing, and it came up with a couple of examples, but and then it was like, want to try it out with a task now? So they say that this is coming to what appears to be all of the paid plans for ChatGPT. So Pro, Plus, and Team users. The Pro is the $200 a month, Plus is the $20 a month, and Team, I think, is $25 a month. It's basically Plus with some Team features. And they say that Plus and Team, so the lower priced of the three, will not see this feature for a few days. But probably by the time this episode comes out, we should all have it. This is really interesting. You can ask it. I'm looking at their page on it, and it says to use the ChatGPT agent, just select the agent mode from the tools menu or type /agent in the composer. And once enabled, just describe the task you'd like completed, and the agent will begin executing it. It will pause to request clarification or confirmation whenever needed. You can also interrupt the model at any time to provide additional instructions. Most tasks will take between 5 and 30 minutes, depending on their complexity. And after a task completes, there will be a little clock icon at the bottom of the conversation to set a recurring schedule, daily, weekly, or monthly.
That's gonna be huge.
And you can manage your schedules at chatgpt.com/schedules. It is not available on the free plan. And I think this will probably be one of those things where using the desktop app for ChatGPT on your Mac or your Windows machine will be helpful, because otherwise the web interface can't interact with other apps on your computer. But the Mac app, certainly on the Mac, can interact with other apps. So I think that's probably going to be part of this. It's very interesting. Yeah,
it is. Yeah, it's amazing.
I don't think I see it in mine yet, but we're recording this on Monday the 21st, so I'm hopeful. Well, I mean, I'm not hopeful. I know it's coming because they say it's coming. I will believe it.
Yeah, it says, can I activate agents now? It says most agent actions, like managing your email and calendar, are still in testing with trusted users.